We were approached by this client in Nottingham to breathe new life into this sectional garage. From afar, we recognised that the building had a canopy operation garage door. The older ones like this can be clunky and changeable in direction. It had not gone unnoticed that the front posts comprised chiefly of crumbling timbers. We packed the van for all eventualities that included various widths of capping board, flat trims and an assortment of pressure-treated timbers. The original door gave itself up effortlessly after a couple of cuts with a grinder, and the cladding didn't stay on for long. Care was taken to cut and then remove the upright posts, as they did provide some support to the roof. Planning is essential, and having decided where the door was to sit in relation to the leading edges, we knew how wide the new front pillars would be. Fortunately, just one cut down the width of the timbers was required, and we had brought the right tools for the job. Having made sure that the door fitted snugly, it was secured into place and the door tracks released from the holding positions and hung with ease from the wooden rafters. We now had a fully operational door. Our attention was then drawn to appearances. We cast off the idea of simply cladding in hollow board and instead pinned capping board to the front and a cut-down version to the return down the sides. A flat trim sits at the top of the door frame. All the PVC was positively gleaming once cleaned. Today's door was a Novoferm Thornby retractable operation, taken straight out of stock, and with an overall frame size 2,274 mm wide by 1,975 mm.